Okay, hello, this is Team 3, Unit 5, and we are going to be talking about Horizon Report 2016 K-12 edition, as well as the IST standards. The participants are Ashley Edwards, Celia Correas, Marco Cardenas, and Margarita Garzalinas. Thank you.
The ISTE standards we're going to be focus on the teachers and the coaches. For teachers, they engage in professional development and growth for leadership purposes, and for the coaches, it's professional development for program evaluation and content knowledge and professional growth.
Okay, so some of the short-term trends driving technology innovation include coding as literacy, as well as students as creators. Computer sciences continue to be the fastest growing of industries, and industry leaders such as Mark Zuckerberg of Facebook are advocating for coding to be taught to the youth and in schools. Groups such as Girls Who Code are helping fill the gap. Students as creators, students learn by creating, not consumption of content, and students are becoming the authorities of subjects through investigation, storytelling, and production.
For the midterm trends, we're going to be talking about collaborative learning and deeper learning approaches. These are the ones that take from 3 to 5 years to develop. First, we have the collaborative learning, which emphasizing 4 principles, which are putting the learner in the center, emphasizing interaction, working in groups, and developing solutions for real world problems. Here, the teachers benefit when interacting with other teachers during professional developments, and also increases the global collaboration and intercultural relationships. Next, we have the deeper learning approaches, which normally happens when we offer a bigger flexibility and choice, allowing their passions to be the drive. Students move here from a passive to an active learning. Approaches like problem-based learning, also known as PBL, challenge-based learning, and inquiry-based learning increase creativity, problem-solving, and actively implementing solutions. It provides a stronger and interpersonal and skills, higher on-time graduation rates, and higher enrollment in 4-year college. Also, students share positive results regardless of their backgrounds or prior levels of knowledge or achievements.
Okay, the long-term trends driving technology adoption in K-12 education for 5 or more years to develop, redesigning learning spaces. As education shifts from a teacher-centric form to being more student-focused, classrooms will need to be adjusted. Instead of listening to lectures from teachers, students will become ever more engaged in active learning during interactive lessons and mutual exercise. The traditional classroom setup, when desks facing ahead, working just fine when lecturing, was the main form of instruction. The introduction of mobile technology into the classroom is defining how the space can be used, including the ability to enable learning anywhere, support individual imagination, and release teachers from commitment. The report explained that learning spaces of the future may include more flexible spaces with portable walls and furniture. Students will be able to move easily from small group discussions with a teacher to practicing coding on a computer or working with a group of classmates. The second one is rethinking how our schools work. The report explained that there is a movement in the direction of changing the present classroom standard and the entire school experience. The 5 stages of design thinking are understand, define, evaluate, standards, and test. They have a powerful application for classroom as they enable students to be original and to demonstrate the new learning skills. The approaches, project, skills, and challenge-based learning require the students be able to move from one learning activity to another naturally, removing the limitations of Bell schedule. This is why the current school and classroom design, like the Bell schedules, block schedules, the school calendars, the curriculum, and the role of the teacher look at differently. Thank you.
So in conclusion for this lesson, professional development is an important tool for teachers. It allows them to model the concepts of lifelong learning and demonstrate and implement different tools and resources. Opportunities of all kinds are available throughout the region that we live in, as well as online. The short-term, mid-term, and long-term trends identified in the Horizon report that we have discussed identify all the different methods that technology, coaches, and teachers across the state are putting into their curriculum daily. These methods are allowing students to have a more authentic learning environment that fosters hands-on learning. The technological advances promote collaboration globally.